Hi guys, it's just Lewis from Kendal SEAT. Today I'm going to give you a little walk around this absolutely gorgeous midnight black SEAT Leon FR. This is the 1 litre 110 PS version. I'll show you the inside. So we've got the lovely FR interior with the lava red stitching. So this car comes with front and rear parking sensors, full LED headlights. We've got the FR exterior styling with the dual exhaust. We've got sat-nav on this, we've got Bluetooth connectivity, we've got full link as well, which is the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, all shown on the 10-inch screen that you can see there. We've got the tri-zone climate control, so we've got 2 zones in the front and 1 in the back. We've also got the FR interior styling carries onto the front seats as well with the red stitching again. This is the 6-speed manual version. There's a wireless charging pad for your phone, electric handbrake, keyless start and keyless entry, digital dash up there. There's cruise control as well, and we've got a lovely flat bottom steering wheel there as well. So there's some exciting features with this car. If you like the look of it, feel free to get in touch with us. Our number is 01539 760 426, or you can come visit us in person. We're based on Queen Katherine Avenue in Kendal, just by the Morrisons. So that's all guys, thank you very much, bye for now.